6th August 2025. And order, honorable members, order. And we shall proceed with the order of business this afternoon. Clerk, order number 1.
Order number 1, administration of oath.
Next order.
Order number 2, communication from the chair.
Honorable members, before we continue, let me acknowledge the presence of the fourth estate, that is our media, as well as the members of the public who are in gallery, those who are following us. You are most welcome as we proceed with our afternoon sitting. On behalf of the County Assembly and myself, you are most welcome. Honorable members, I have a communication to make. This is communication from the chair. Honorable members, I hereby give the following notice. Notice to show cause for failure to attend 8 consecutive sittings of the County Assembly. Honorable members, the records of the County Assembly indicate that the following honorable members have failed to attend 8 consecutive sittings of the Assembly during the current session without written permission of the Speaker, contrary to provision of Article 194(1)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. 1. The Honorable Noela Opile. 2. Honorable Winnie Langat. 3. Honorable Isaac Metker. 4. Honorable Dominic Mutai. And 5. Honorable Bavina Serem. Honorable members, the said constitutional provision states the office of a member of a county assembly becomes vacant if during any session of the assembly the member is absent from 8 sittings without permission in writing of the Speaker of the assembly and is unable to have a satisfactory explanation to the relevant committee of the assembly. Honorable members, in view of the above, the said members are hereby required to show cause in writing within 7 days from the date of this communication why their seats should not be declared vacant pursuant to the cited provisions. Honorable members, kindly direct your written explanation to the office of the Speaker and copy the same to the Committee on Powers and Privileges, which will consider your submission and make appropriate recommendations. Honorable members, to those who are affected, failure to respond within the stipulated time will lead to further action as guided by the Constitution and the standing orders of this Assembly. Signed by myself, Right Honorable Dr. Patrick Mutai, Speaker of the County Assembly of Kericho. I hope the members that I have mentioned are here. If not here, clerk, you are directed to ensure that they receive this communication before the close of business. This, that is today being 6th August 2025. Honorable Noela Opile, Honorable Winnie Langat, Honorable Isaac Metker, Honorable Dominic Mutai, Honorable Bavina Serem. Clerk, next order.
Order number 3, messages.
Next order.
Order number 4, petitions.
Next.
Order number 5, papers.
Next.
Order number 6, notices of motion by Honorable Kiprotich, Rogony.
Honorable Kiprotich, Rogony, honorable members, before Honorable Kiprotich proceeds, I know you have already received your order paper of this afternoon, and there is a notice of motion by Honorable Kiprotich, the member of County Assembly, the member of the County Assembly representing the people of Sigawit Ward, to give notice to the motion for impeachment of His Excellency Honorable Erick Kipkoech, the Governor of Kericho County. Honorable members, as you are aware, the standing orders are very clear that when there is such a motion of removal from office by impeachment, the motion supersedes the other motion. And that is why we are giving the Honorable Kiprotich Rogony time so that he can move his motion as per the standing orders. Proceed to give notice. Honorable Kiprotich Rogony.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise to give notice of motion. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Speaker, I beg, with the support of the members of the County Assembly of Kericho, the County Assembly, whose names and signatures I have annexed here too, as Annexure 1, to move the motion for impeachment of His Excellency Honorable Erick Kipkoech Mutai, the Governor of Kericho County, for number 1, gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya; Roman number 2, gross violation of various national and county laws; Roman number 3, serious reasons for believing that the governor has committed crimes under national law; Roman number 4, abuse of office; and Roman number 5, gross misconduct. Mr. Speaker, sir, the specific grounds of the motion are organized thematically as Roman number 1 outlined below, and Roman number 2 elaborated in the ensuing pages of this motion. Mr. Speaker, sir, the evidence in support of the motion is set out in number 1, my affidavit in support of the motion, duly sworn in on 5th of August 2023, Roman number 2, 2025. Roman number 2, the exhibits annexed to my affidavit in support of the motion. Roman number 3, the witness statements and affidavits to be presented at the hearing of this motion. Further, the affidavit presented herewith verifies the accuracy and reliability of the exhibits to the motion. Mr. Speaker, whereas number 1, Article 2 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, herein the Constitution restates the supremacy of the Constitution as the supreme law of the Republic and binds all persons and the state organs at both levels of governments. Number 2, Article 10 of the Constitution, Section 3 and 16 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, and Section 9, Section 10, and Section 12 of the Public Officer Ethics Act 2003 establish, among others, the rule of law, democracy, human dignity, courtesy, respect, social justice, inclusiveness, equality, human rights, probity, professionalism, non-discrimination, protection of the marginalized, good governance, transparency, and accountability as part of the national values and principles of governance. Number 3, Articles 10, 73, and 75 of the Constitution requires the state officers at all times, whether in public or private life, to behave in a manner that inter alia, number 1, brings honor to the nation and dignity of the office that a state officer holds. Roman number 2, portrays selfless service based solely on the public interest, demonstrated by honesty in execution of public duties and declaration of any personal interest that may conflict with public interest. Roman number 3, ensures decisions made by the state officer are not influenced by nepotism, favorism, and improper motives. Demonstrate discipline and commitment in service to the people. And Roman number 4, avoid demeaning the office of the state officer holds. Established the county revenue fund and clearly stipulates that money shall not be withdrawn from the revenue fund unless the controller of budget has approved. Number 10.
Order.
Sorry, Mr. Speaker.
The Honorable Kiprotich, do you require some water so that you...
In fact, Mr. Speaker, I need some water right here.
Because you have jumped from page number 3 to number 10.
Sorry, Mr. Speaker. Whoever was doing this,
and they answered.
I realized they made a mistake.
So therefore, I direct that you start with number 4, and the answered, of course, to note that.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for guidance, and sorry for the mishap. Number 4, by dint of Section 11 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, enjoins the governor as the state officer to treat members of the public and other public officer with courtesy and respect. And further, by dint of Section 34 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, the governor, being a state officer, is precluded from bullying any person by engaging in a behavior that is vindictive, cruel, malicious, humiliating, and is intended to undermine a person. Number 5, Article 73(2)(d) and (e) of the Constitution provides for the accountability of a state officer to the public for all decisions made in exercise of the powers of the office they hold, and that accountability is a critical principle of leadership and integrity. Number 6, Articles 10, 232, 235, and 236 of the Constitution, and Sections 59, 59A, 60, 62, 63, 64, and 65 of the County Governments Act 2012 provides for the values and principles of public service, and establish an elaborate framework for establishment of county public offices and the recruitment, employment, and dismissal of county public officers. Number 7, Article 79(4) of the Constitution reaffirms the governor's position as the chief executive of the county. Hence, the Constitution and the law vests a responsibility for decision-making and ensuring the well-being of the county on the governor. This is a strong expression of the county governor's commitment and expectation to provide effective leadership, strategic vision, and direction to the county in ensuring efficient and prudent use of public resources for the good of the county. Number 8, Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Governments Act, and Standing Order number 74 of Standing Orders of the County Assembly of Kericho provides for the impeachment of the governor on grounds of gross violation of the Constitution, gross violation of other written laws, where there are serious reasons for believing that the county governor has committed a crime under national or international law, gross misconduct, and abuse of office. Number 9, Article 201, 205, and 207 of the Constitution forms a constitutional basis that guide the counties in raising and utilizing public finances. In particular, Article 207 established the County Revenue Fund and clearly stipulates that money shall not be withdrawn from the Revenue Fund unless the Controller of Budget has approved. Number 10, Section 33 of the County Governments Act obligates the governor to provide leadership in county governance be accountable for management and use of county resources, and to promote, amongst others, good governance and competitiveness of the county. Number 11, the governor has in various